Hello children, board exams are nearing. So class 10 board children, hope you all preparing for your maths exam. Today onwards we are going to upload the full model papers for revision. Instructions and question pattern was discussed in a separate video and uploaded in the channel. You can verify that. Now we will see to the paper 1. In that we have section A, B, C, D and E in a paper. So section A contains 20 questions. Out of that, question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reasoning questions. If you wanted to learn more about the assertion and reasoning question, there is a separate playlist in this channel about the assertion and reasoning questions. Chapter wise assertion and reasoning questions are available in that. You can very well go through those questions. Now move back to the section A. Question number 1. See the first question. If A equal to 2 power 3 into 3, B equal to 2 into 3 into 5 and C equal to 3 power n into 5. These are the three numbers given ABC. And LCM of this ABC equal to 2 power 3, 3 power 2 and 5. Then what is the value of n? Where is n? N is present in C power something. That is n. So we have to find the value of n. The clue given is LCM. How do you find LCM? When you find LCM of any two given number, you will choose the highest power of the same number. Now here if you see, first select number 2. 2 power 3, 2 power 1, there is no 2. So highest power of 2 is 3. So 2 power 3 is selected. Next 3 to the power 2. That means 3, the power of 3 should be the maximum 2. So here in the first number 3 power 1. In the second number also 3 power 1. So what is the chance? The chance for the power 2 for 3 will be in the number C. So C should be 3 power 2 so that the LCM is 3 power 2. So here it is 3 power n, here it is 3 power 2. It should be the same thing. So the value of n in this question will be 2. So option B is the correct answer. Whenever you are writing the answer, write the option and write the answer. Question number 1, option B 2. Like that you write the answer. Now move back to question number 2. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 1, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to. So they have given you 4 options. We'll see the value of 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Before that, we should know the relation. So in this question 2, just do the calculation in the rough part so that you will write only the answers in the required portion. So the given question is 2x square plus 5x plus 1. From this, just take alpha plus beta, summation equal to minus b by a, that is minus b by 2, product equal to c by a, that is 1 by 2. We know 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to, when you take LCM, alpha into beta, alpha beta, 1 into beta, beta, 1 into alpha, alpha. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is alpha plus beta by alpha beta. You already have the value of alpha plus beta, which is minus 5 by 2, and alpha into beta, which is 1 by 2. Denominator will get cancelled when you reciprocal it. So the answer is minus 5. So where is minus 5? In question number 2, minus 5 is option C. So option C, minus 5 is the answer for the second question. Okay. Now the third question, when we see this third question, see this question number 3. If p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c and a plus c equal to b, then one of the 0 is. Here the given equation is ax square plus bx plus c ax square plus bx plus c. Given condition is a plus c equal to b. That means in place of b you can apply this a plus c. See, ax square plus bx plus c In place of b, you can apply a plus c. So the equation will become ax square plus place of b a plus c. So a plus c into x plus c. Now open the bracket, you will get ax square plus ax plus cx plus c. Now group them. You can take ax common. If you take ax common, it is x plus 1 plus c common, again it is x plus 1. So common factors are x plus 1 and another factor is remaining one, ax plus c. Now if you equate it to 0 to get the zeros, x will become x plus 1 equal to 0 or ax plus c equal to 0. So if x plus 1 is 0, x will become minus 1. If ax plus c is 0, ax is equal to minus c and x equal to minus c by a. So the zeros are, the value of the zeros are minus 1 comma minus c by a. Minus 1 comma minus c by a. So they are asking one of the zeros. See the given options are question 3. B by A? No. C by A? No. Minus C by A. Yes, this is the answer we found. Minus 1 and minus C by A. As minus C by A is given in the question, this is the right answer for question number 3. Question 4. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k minus 1 into x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, then the value of k. They were given you an equation which contains a value. So in the given equation, k minus 1 into x square plus kx plus 1, k is arbitrary constant here. You were given one 0 minus 3. What is the condition of 0? Whenever you are given a 0, the 0 should satisfy the equation. That means the given polynomial will be equal to 0 when the value of 0 is applied in the place of x. Shall we check that to find the value of k? So the given equation in the question number 4 is k minus 1 into x square plus kx plus 1. They told minus 3 is a 0. This is p of x. So p of minus 3 equal to k minus 1 into minus 3 square plus k into minus 3 plus 1. As it is 0, the equation should be equated to 0. Now expand it. K minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus 3 into k minus 3k plus 1 equal to 0. Now you multiply this. K into 9, 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1. So 9k minus 3k, 6k. Minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 equal to 0. So 6a equal to plus 8. Minus 8 will go there and become plus 8. So k equal to 8 by 6. If you simplify, you will get 4 by 3. So k equal to 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is our right answer. Now see the fifth question. The lines 3x plus 2ky minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel. Then what is the value of k? Here we should recap or remind the three conditions. When two lines are given, these are the coefficient of x 3 by 2 and coefficient of y is 2 and 5. The constant part is minus 2 and plus 1. The equation is equal to 0. Such cases, we have to find the ratio of the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and the constant. The ratio of coefficient of x, that is 3 by 2. The coefficient of y, that is 2k by 5. 2k by 5. And the ratio of the constants, minus 2 by 1. This is a1 by a2. This is b1 by b2. And this is c1 by c2. We have to find the three ratios. And they have given parallel. What is the condition for the parallelity? The parallel condition should be always a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for the parallelity. So you go with the first two conditions, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Take these two ratios. This should be equal. This should not be equal. That is the condition. Now you go with the equal to part. 3 by 2 equal to 2k by 5. When two fractions are equaled, the cross multiplication value will be equal. That means 2 into 2k, 4k. 3 into 5, 15. So 15. K equal to 15 by 4. So option B is the right answer. K equal to 15 by 4. Question 6. The pair of equations 3 power x plus y equal to 81 and 81 power x minus y equal to 3 has dash solutions. So this is the sixth question given in the question paper. 3 power x plus y equal to 81. 81 power x minus y equal to 3. These are the given two equations. We generally able to solve the equation if the equations are in the form of x plus y or x minus y. Now the x plus y and x minus y are in the power. So we have to simplify the equation first. First go with the first equation. Left side it is in terms of 3 power. So right side also I will convert in the terms of 3 power. 81 is 9 nines are 81. 9 is 3 into 3. So 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 power 4. When the base is same, power will also same. So I will get x plus y equal to 4. This is equation 1. Now go to equation 2. Again same thing, 81. I can consider 81 as 3 power 4. Already power x minus y is there. So it will be in product x minus y. Equal to 3. 3 means 3 power 1. Now you compare, the base is same, the power will also be same. What is the power here? 4 into x minus y. So 4x minus 4y equal to 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equal to 4. Equation 2 is 4x minus 4y equal to 1. Now to check the solution, we have to compare first a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2 here? A, B both are 1. a1 by a2 will be coefficient of x by coefficient of x in the other equation. Then b1 by b2 is 1 by minus 4. Are they equal? Check this fractions. 1 by 4 is not equal to minus 1 by 4. So it is not equal. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, these two set of equations are intersecting lines which has unique solution. So these two equations have unique solution. What is given in the option in our question? So in question 6, we discussed and we found a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we thought of the solution, unique solution or one solution. So option B, one solution is the answer for question number 6. Now question number 7. If one root of equation 4x square minus 2x plus k minus 4 equal to 0 is reciprocal of the other, find the value of k. That means if one is alpha, another 0 should be 1 by alpha. And that is the condition given for this equation 4x square minus 2x plus k minus 4. K minus 4 together is the constant part here. So you take the zeros as 1 by alpha and alpha. When you multiply the zeros which are reciprocal of one another, the constant will become 1 because 1 by alpha into alpha. Alpha will get cancelled, you will get 1. So the product will become 1. What is the product here? K minus 4, C by 4. So K minus 4 by 4 equal to 1. See here, what is the product? Product alpha into beta equal to C by A. C is minus 4 by A is 4. K minus 4 by 4. They told alpha is alpha only. The beta is reciprocal of alpha, that is 1 by alpha. So this alpha get cancelled, you will get 1. So 4 into 1, 4, K minus 4. So this minus 4 will go there and become K equal to 4. This minus 4 will come to this side and become plus 4, which is 8. Understood? Alpha into beta equal to C by A. C is constant, K minus 4. A is 4. So K minus 4 by 4. Which is equal to what they told. One of the 0 is alpha. Another 0 is reciprocal. So 1 by alpha. When you cancel this alpha with the reciprocal of 1 by alpha, you will get 1. So K minus 4 by 4 equal to 1 you are getting. So 1 into 4, 4. Left side K minus 4. So this minus 4 will move to right side and become plus 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. K equal to 8. Option B is the right answer for question number 7. Now move on to question number 8. In an arithmetic progression, if A equal to 28, D equal to minus 4, N equal to 7, then find AN. Options are 4, 5, 3 and 7. Very simple. A is given, D is given, N is given. What is AN? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, A is 28 plus N is 7, that is 7 minus 1. D is minus 4. Now, AN. N, here they give you N for the 7th term. That means they are asking for the 7th term, not the common term. From the options, if this N equal to 7 is not given, in place of N, you leave it as N only. But for N is 7, what is AN? That means A7. Indirectly, they are asking for this A7. And options also were given only the numerical values like this. So, we should check with the proper application of all the values. So, 28 plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 4s are 24. Minus of 4 minus 24. So, 28 minus 24 is 4. Is 4. So, where is option 4? Option 4 is A. Our answer is option A for the arithmetic progression. When N is 7, the AN value is 4. Now, question 9. If A by 3, 4 is the midpoint of the segment joining P6, 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6, 5 or minus 2, 3, then the value of A is, they told it is the midpoint. A by 3, 4 is the midpoint of the segment joining P and R. So, it is the midpoint of P and R. How do you find the midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2. What is X1? Minus 6. What is X2? Minus 2. X1 plus X2 is minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 8. Divided by 2. Minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. So, here 8 by 3 is equal to minus 4. So, 8 equal to 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Option C is the answer. So, midpoint means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Only in the x1 plus x2 part the variable is given. So, only I found x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equated to a by 3. I got the value. Question number 10. If triangle ABC and DEF are similar and AB equal to 4 cm, DE equal to 6 cm, EF equal to 9 cm, FT equal to 12 cm, the perimeter of triangle ABC. They give you two similar triangles. Two similar triangles. This is A, B, C. Another is D, E, F. Now AB equal to 4. DE equal to 6. EF equal to 9. And FD equal to 12. So for ABC, they have given you only AB part. And they told ABC similar to DEF. So when you take ABC similar to DEF, take the corresponding parts in order so that you will get the equal or the similar parts which are in the proportion. So according to the question, AB is proportion to DE. What is AB here? 4 centimeter. What is DE here? 6 centimeter. So the ratio will be 4 by 6. The ratio will be 4 by 6. If you want BC value, find the corresponding side of BC. B is second and third letter. Here second and third letter is EF. So BC equate them. BC by EF, that is 9. So if you want the value of BC, cross multiply them. BC equal to 4 into 9 by 6. So 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. 2 and 4 is cancelled. 2 3s are 6. So BC will be 6. Same condition, same way you find the other side AC. AC is first and last letter. So here also first and last letter you take DF. So AC is corresponding to DF. That is AC by 12. In the same proportion already you have calculated 4 by 6. Another side is AC by DF. DF is 12. So AC by 12. So AC equal to 4 into 12 by 6. 6 and 2 cancel 2. 4 2s are 8. So AC equal to 8. Now mark AC equal to 8. So you have all the three sides of ABC. 4, 6 and 8 is 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So the perimeter of ABC is 18 centimeter. Option D. Option D, 18 centimeter. This is question number 10. We'll move on to question number 11. In the figure, they have given you a figure, the tangent drawn from the exterior point. In given figure, CP and CQ are tangents to the circle from the exterior point C. So by theorem 10.2, we know the length of CP equal to CQ. These are the tangents to the circle with center O. ARB is another tangent touching the circle and also intersecting the remaining two tangents. Right? Another tangent touching it. Now, the circle at R, if CP equal to 11, CP, this full length is equal to 11 and BC, this length is equal to 6, then find the length of BR. We know I wanted to say a relation or statement which is regarding this kind of diagrams. We know this is an external point. CP equal to CQ. Tangents from exterior points are equal in length. Now, same way A is an exterior point. When you consider this point A, AP and AR are equal. So, AP equal to AR. And considering this point B exterior point, BR and BQ are equal. Now, when I split this total section CQ into two parts, this left side, CQ equal to CB plus BQ. CB plus BQ. And I told already the exterior tangents are equal. So if CP is 11, CQ is also 11. So this will be 11. CB they have given you 6. BQ only I wanted to get from this. So BQ will be, the 6 will come this side, 11 minus 6, 5. So BQ is 11 minus 6, 5. That means the CQ and CP are equal. So I have taken this full length 11 minus till this the length is 6. 11 minus 6, this will be 5. And already I told from the exterior point BQ is equal to BR. If this is 5, this is 5, so X equal to 5. That means BR is equal to 5. This BR is equal to 5. So which option is suitable for that? Option B. Now we go to question number 12. If 2 sin 2a equal to root 3, find the value of cos 2a. 2 sin 2a is root 3. Find the value of cos 2a. So, if 2 sin 2a equal to root 3, we want only the ratio. Transpose this 2 to this side. So, you will get sin 2a equal to root 3. This 2 will come this side and become root 3 by 2. So, for what value of sine? The value root 3 by 2 will be available. Sine 60 degree. So, sine 2a equal to, convert this number into ratio, sine 60 degree. So, sine 2a is 60 degree. Now, 2a means 60 degree. 2a is 60 degree. So, we find the value of 2a is 60 degree. Apply here cos 2a. Cos 2a means cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Half. So, option C is the right answer. Next, question number 13. If sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, then cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to what? So, question 13. What is given in question 13? Sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Now, what is to prove is cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to what? This is what we have to find. For that, I wanted to simplify the given value. How to simplify the given value? Keep sin theta alone in one side. Transpose this sin square theta to the right side. It will become 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. So, sin theta equal to cos square theta. This is the value I got from the given data. Now, I have to apply it in the proving part. Wherever cos square is there, I will apply sin theta. Plus, cos power 4 is cos square the whole square. So, sin square equal to sin plus sin square. That is nothing but 1. So, it is 1. So, if this is 1, cos square plus cos power 4 is also 1. That is what given in our option A minus 1, B 0, C 1, D 2. So, option D is our answer. 1, because we convert the cos square plus cos power 4 as sin theta plus sin square theta. Now question 14. If ABC and DEF are two triangles and AB by DE equal to BC by FD, then the two triangles are similar if they give us 4 options. Which option is satisfied to make those triangles similar? For that, we will make the diagram of this question. See, whatever questions from triangles or mensuration or circles, areas related to circle, please make a rough diagram so that you can easily solve the question. A, B, C and D, E, F are two triangles. A, B, C and D, E, F are two triangles such that AB by DE, AB by DE, BC by FD, BC, I should not put this is equal, I will write 1. This part 1 and 1 are similar, part 2 BC by DF are similar. Then the two angles, the two triangles are similar if you got two adjacent sides equal. If the included angle is also equal, that means what is the included angle here? Between 1 and 2, B is the angle. Between 1 and 2, D is the angle. So if angle B is equal to angle D, then these two triangles will be similar with the criteria side angle side, side angle side. So what is the condition we required? The immediate condition we required is B equal to angle D. We will check whether this option is given in our 4 options. Yes. Option A is A equal to F. No. Option B equal to B equal to D. Yes. This is what we calculated. Option C is A equal to D, B equal to E. So, the required option for us is B equal to D. Now, move back to question number 15. If the perimeter of the semicircle protractor is 36, then its diameter is dash. Perimeter of the semicircular protractor is 36 centimeter. Make a diagram. You can quickly solve it. See those options. 10, 14, 12 and 16. 14 is the answer I marked there. We will check how 14 is the answer. It is given the perimeter of the protractor. Perimeter means if you start here, this arc length plus this diameter. Total is 36. That means arc length plus diameter equal to 36. We all know this angle is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. So in question 15, it was given the diameter of the perimeter of the protractor. Perimeter of the protractor means arc length L plus diameter. So L plus D equal to 36 given. We know this angle is 180 degree. So we know this is a sector because 2 radius and the area. So this is a sector. In the sector, what is the formula for arc length L? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is arc length. Now the perimeter P is equal to arc length plus dia. That is theta is 180 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. This is arc length. This is our arc length. Plus D is nothing but R2R equal to 36. This is what the condition we received now. Now, here also you have R, here also you have R. Take this R common. What is remaining? 180 by 360, you can cancel it into 2. This 2 and this 2 can be getting cancelled. So, what is remaining? 22 by 7. R has gone out. So, only 22 by 7 is remaining in this bracket. Outside the bracket, 2R, R has gone out, 2 is remaining. The symbol connecting is plus, so 2. So, R into 22 by 7 plus 2 is 36. So, R into, simplify this by taking LCM, 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 22, 22, plus 7 2s are 14, equal to 36. So, R into 22 plus 10, 32, 36 by 7 equal to 36. So, R equal to, right side 36 is there. This 36 by 7 will come this side and become 7 by 36. Cancel this, you will get R equal to 7. When R is 7, what is D? 2 into 7, 14. So, for this condition, the diameter is 14. What is option? So, in question 15, 14. Option B is the answer, 14. Now, go to question number 16. A cylinder is covered at 2 ends by 2 hemispheres shaped lid of equal radius r. If the height of the cylinder is h, then the total curved surface area of the new object will be. They gave you 4 options. We'll check how this options works. Question 16 says a cylinder, both the ends covered with hemispherical lids. Hemisphere means all these radius are same, r, r, r. Okay. What is the clue given? If the height of the cylinder is h, this is h, and the radius is r. That means this is R, 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 this is R. Then the total curved surface area. What is total curved surface area here? This is one hemisphere, that is 2 pi r, plus bottom one hemisphere, again one 2 pi r, plus this CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now if like terms are added, you will get 4 pi r plus 2 pi r h. We see our options. This portion is 2 pi r, this portion is 2 pi r, this CSA is 2 pi r h. As the two are like terms, I have written 2 plus 2, 4 pi r plus 2 pi r square. We can further simplify that, but we will check what are the options given in 16. Accordingly, we have to choose the answer. See, option A, 4 pi r h. What we chose is 4 pi r plus 2 pi r h. So 4 pi r, pi r square. These are all squares, areas. So 4 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now question number 17. A bag has 3 red ball, 5 green ball. If we take a ball from the bag, then what is the probability of getting red balls only? There are 3 red ball and 5 green ball. So 3 plus 5 total 8 balls. So you see option A, option B, it is not a fraction. We know the probability should be either 0 or 1 or a proper fraction. So option A and B will not work. And if you go to option D also, it is an improper fraction. Absolutely it will not work. So without checking the concept, we could know that C is the correct answer. Even though now we will check, the red balls are 3. So the required number is 3 in the numerator. The total balls are 3 plus 5, 8. So denominator is the total. So 3 by 8, option C is the right answer for question number 17. Now question number 18, a dice is thrown in the air. The probability of getting an odd number is, in a dice we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the phases. Among these phases 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So the total outcome is 6 denominator. The record outcome is 3 by 6. So either 3 by 6 or if you simplify it 1 by 2. Here it is 3 not applicable, 4 not applicable, 3 by 2 improper not applicable. So of course 1 by 2 is our correct answer. Option A is the right answer. Now we let into the assess and reasoning questions. Question number 19. So question number 19 in the assess and reasoning questions, 2 statements will be given. One is assertion, another is reason. So assertion, what is given here is 3x square minus 6x plus 3 has repeated roots. What is mean by repeated roots? Repeated roots. That means same roots, like minus 4, plus 2, plus 2. So 2 equal roots, that is called repeated roots. Okay. If you want that, you have to check the entire solution. Before that, my clue is, if you go to the assess and reasoning playlist, you can find a clue called cute. So first thing we have to check the reason. If the reason is false, directly we land upon option C. Otherwise, if it is correct, then we come and check the assessment statement. First you see the reason. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 have repeated roots if the discriminant is greater than 0. If only greater than 0 condition is there, it means only real number. It doesn't mean the equal roots. If wanted to say about the equal roots, the determinant value should be equal to 0. So the reason is false. If the reason is false, we will land up on option C, which says the reason is false, because here they will not give you both the false statement. They will give you any one of the statement false or both the statements are true and related to each other or not related to each other. So that only I am telling the clue that first you check the reason. Here the reason is false. So directly we choose the option C. No need to check and waste your time by checking the assertion. Always check the second statement assertion. Now go back to question number 20. The assertion statement is x equal to 2. If x equal to 2, sine square theta and x equal to 2 sine square theta and y equal to 2 cos square theta plus 1, then the value of what? See this question, x equal to 2 sine square theta and y equal to 2 cos square theta 1 plus the value of x plus y equal to 3. Okay, so x plus y, you add x plus y. So you will be adding 2 sine square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 1. When you add this 2, you will get x value is 2. I told you to check the reason first, right? Okay, so we will move on to the reason first. For any value of theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Yeah, when the theta, for example, if theta is equal to 50 degrees, sine square 50 plus cos square 50 equal to 1. So, for any value of theta, sine square plus cos square equal to 1, it is true. Only when the reason is true, we will move on to assertion. So, when the assertion, I just check the value of x. X is 2 sine square theta plus y is 2 cos square theta plus 1. 2 cos square theta plus 1. Now you combine this two value. 2 sine square plus 2 cos square. Take 2 common outside. Sine square plus cos square plus 1 outside. So this sine square plus cos square is 1, we know. So 2 into 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. That is what they have told, x plus y equal to 3. Yes. So the assertion statement is also true. Now check whether they have any relation between them. Yes. The reason question is talking about the identity sine square plus cos square equal to 1. And the assertion statement where we used the identity sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So both are related to, united to one another, talking about one another. So option A, both the assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Option A is the correct answer. So hope this first 20 questions and its explanation will be quick and easy for you to understand the things and how to check the answers smart way. I took some 35 minutes to explain these 20 questions. You are also spend 30 to 35 minutes only for the section A. Okay. We will continue with section B.